Guys, kain tayo arroz caldo guys. Nako, ang laki. Natingnan nyo kami guys. Oh, na ano na ni guys. Grabe, enjoy. Enjoy kain ng arroz caldo with egg and chicken. Oh, tingnan nyo guys. With chicken. But me, I order simple only. Di naman yung akong itlog nga ano, extra egg. Aray na.
Aray.
Nalulod lang to gani.
Honey Mike, I order only arroz caldo with egg, no chicken. I don't like the chicken. You only sell chicken with eggs.
But these are y'all's two.
Oh.
I get one of those. That'll balance it out.
You eat na. Amo ni ko na iyaday dako.
But these are just soups. These are just rice.
Oo.
Now, gali ang extra caldo.
Oh, that's yours, Honey Mike. Oh.
Okay.
Wala, tingala sa tuod ay kay nga nga may itlog imo kag may chicken itulok niya. Sorry, Honey Mike, because I said for you, this is for you, Honey Mike, and then that's extra. Wala, I'm not expected. Grabe talaga, guys. Ano na to? Mukbang na to, guys. Diyos ko, ang laki na. Tapos may pa-free pa sila, guys. Oh, may... Ha? Oh, tong kami ni Mike. Wagi ko kaubos. Pati si Mike, day, gibutang na lang niya sa ref, day. Ako, isa lang ka, ina pa mo ni gani amo ni akong gi-order subong sa aton, oh. Kung kukuha ato bang bangko, oh. Itong gikuhaan ko sa akong bag. Tapos ipa dito ni, oh. What is that?
These are
Garlic.
spices. Pepper, I
Oo.
guess. I don't need three of them. Yeah. Make room. Make room.
Kain! Sarap! Guys, wala kita katagtip sa tao ba? Nadamo pa ano. Honey Mike, oh, very yummy. Oh. Very yummy bread, Honey Mike. Enjoy eating, Honey Mike. Oh.
Just leave it. I get it.
Sunog-sunog ko lang. Panamit guys. The best. Mami pa niya guys, kaya with garlic pa niya guys. Ang mga hangin-hangin sa lawas makuha. Bye guys!